Hi, I'm Dhruv Doshi, computer science engineer and working on blockchain for more than 3 years. Here, I will share some of my work with you guys, and further, I will make video lectures to how to learn more and more about blockchain, how we can implement blockchain along with the required skill sets to develop a blockchain app or contract. I have developed more than 10 projects in blockchain and I majorly use Python and Solidity to code the blockchain apps. Along with that, I use ERC20 contracts for development of D apps and all of the stuffs. Moreover, you can use any of the language of your choice to develop blockchain application, but these are my recommendations. As moving forward, these packages of Python will help you immensely to develop more advanced decentralized applications. Let's have a glance to the projects which I had done regarding blockchain, and you can surely visit our GitHub page where I had listed all of the codes and we will be using those codes for the further lecture series. Let's move forward to the GitHub page where all of the code and the repositories will be stored. Let's get to the URL. I'll link all of my profiles in the description. You can surely go and check those out. So I will move forward to my profile. Yes. So guys, this is my profile. All of the repositories and code which we are going to develop in this YouTube channel will be listed over here. You can come and find those code. Along with that, I use GitHub for all of the version controlling. So all of my old codes will be available here. So you can go and have a glance to it. Yeah. So this is my major project which I had been working over past 2 years, and we are gonna build this same project in blockchain in the next tutorial series. So this project is well documented and you can come and check this project. So these are the technologies which we are going to use in our first project. These are the things which you need to get installed before you work on the product with blockchain. So you will need to install Node.js, Python, Git for version controlling, pip for installing Node packages and all of the stuff, and Docker to install this. So for Docker and all of the stuff, I will be making another separate video for installing all of the stuff and getting started. So that can get sorted. Along with that, you can come and fork this repository and you can do it on your own. So I guess this is we can continue with the next lecture, which would be the first introduction part of the blockchain development and whole series, what we are going to build, what would be the roadmap of the development of the project, and the second video which we are going to make will be about which editor do I use, how do I do my version controlling, how I install all of the stuff. I will be making each and everything for three of the operating systems, which would be Ubuntu, Mac OS, and Windows. As I am using Windows as my primary system, I will be making Mac OS and Linux as my subsystems with virtual machines. Let's move forward to my LinkedIn page, which might help you. So yeah, I do go to my page often, so it's interesting. Yeah, so this is my LinkedIn page. You can come and put in request. We can surely chat about that too. Yeah, so please have a glance to my LinkedIn page. Oh, sorry. Yes. Yep. So let's move forward to my Twitter account. You can go and find this is my Twitter account. So all of the updates of the video lectures when they are out or any upcoming series will be done on this LinkedIn account and this Twitter account. So you can right away go and follow me to get the updates from myself when. That's all for this video. We'll meet in the next lecture, which would be the introduction section of the next upcoming video series. Stay well, stay good. Bye.